What's up, woodworkers and YouTubers? Amar here, and in today's video we're going to see how to drive free traffic from Medium to your website. So the purpose of this video is to give you some key points that you can use to drive more traffic to your website or blog from Medium without doing really an extra work. I'm thinking here as a blogger that wants to get more exposure and more readers to his blog posts or articles. So this is not a how to become an expert of Medium or an expert writer or make a ton of money from Medium. This is not at all that. But this is just another great platform where actually a platform with a great audience from where you can drive free traffic. So let's keep things simple as possible. So the way I see this is that on Medium we find lots of readers. So what I like to do is actually publish an article on my website or my blog and then import it to Medium so I can drive the traffic from Medium to my website or blog, and from there they will be able to check all the offers that you can present on your blog or on your website. So in this video I have 8 key points that I want to talk about, but before that let me ask you kindly to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see, and also hit the notification bell so we will not miss my future videos. So number 1, why Medium? Medium actually is a huge website and it's ranked 185 in the USA, and it has millions of visitors monthly, actually hundreds of millions monthly. So if you want to check the power of this website, Medium, this is actually the first page of Medium. All you have to do is go to this website, SimilarWeb, and then enter medium.com and search for the results. You will see that it's ranked 244 in the world and 185 in the USA as of today. Now it is receiving a big amount of traffic, millions of visitors, and the most important thing is that most of that traffic is coming from search engines. So it's really a very good quality traffic. And if you check on the home page of the website, you will see here that it says 120 million curious readers and growing. And the other thing that I like about Medium is that it allows you to put a link on your profile and also on the articles that you publish. So the first thing we need to do here is to create an account, and you can do that using your email address or your Google account or Facebook account. So let's take a look at that. So when you want to sign in or sign up, actually when it's the first time, you just come to the homepage medium.com and then you go to get started. So it will give you the chance to register with your Google account, Facebook account, or your email address. Once done, and once you go ahead and confirm your email address, you'll be taken through a process where it lets you select your niche or your interest centers, so it will target you with the articles that you like to read. And once you're done, and when you come to log in the next time, you just click on sign in here and then you choose the option that you want to sign in. The third thing I want to talk about is optimizing your profile on Medium by adding a picture of yourself or any other picture that represents your brand, and then write a compelling description about what you're doing, and then of course insert a link to your blog or website. So in order to optimize your profile and edit it, all you have to do is click on your picture here on the top right hand side, and then you go down to where it says profile. Once you are on your profile, you can see here your name, the description, and the link to your website. Now you can click edit profile, and of course you can change this picture here by clicking on this icon. You can type something else here and enter a website, and then all you have to do is click on save. And by the way, the description that you put here is very important because it may appear after any or all the articles that you will be publishing later. Now, key point number 3 is importing stories straight from your blog. Let's say, for example, that you have a WordPress blog or any other blog where you just published an article and you want to publish that same article on Medium. So what you need to do is just enter the post or the article link from your blog, import the article, optimize it, do some editing, and you are done. Let me show you that. So here I am on Medium, and all I have to do is click on the picture here on the top and then select this tab here that says stories. And there you have two options: write a story straight here on the editor, or import a story from a website. This is what I'm going to use for the sake of this example. Now I go to my website and I grab the URL to this article here. It says ways to drive traffic to your website. I copy the URL and then paste it to this field here on Udemy, and then click this button here saying import. So Medium has imported the article now, and it giving me the chance to see it and edit it here, and then I will have a chance also to publish. So let's go ahead and take a look at the article. See your story. So here is my headline, here's the picture, and here is the rest of the article. I have to do some work here because you cannot just publish it. You have to optimize it first, and then you can just go ahead and publish it. So let me remove this picture here. I don't want this part of the title. I can come here, click on this plus button here to add a sub headline or subtitle. You can of course manage the spaces in your article, the paragraphs, etc. So I'm going to take a second to do some editing here, like for example removing everything that is not necessary here, and we'll be back in a second. So I did some editing on the article. I removed a few stuff that are not really necessary in this platform, and this is what I got. So of course you have to optimize the article, and one of the things you can do is write compelling headlines. So let's say for example here I can put my best ways to drive traffic to your website or to a website, and then you keep doing that and optimizing, put in some keywords. You have to make it SEO friendly. So the images needs to have the alt tag. That's very good for the search engines as well. So if I have a picture here, let me first grab my keyword. So ways to drive traffic to a website. I have a picture here at the bottom, and you can see here that if you click on the image you will see this here saying alt text. So I will paste the keyword there and click on save. You can also add a caption at the bottom here. So always we try to optimize the article for the search engines and also make it sweet to read for the end reader. And you can see here at the bottom that Medium is saying that originally published at easyplrmoney.com, which is my website. So this is a backlink, and a canonical backlink. I mean, it's a really good backlink to have from Medium to your website. So once I'm done editing the article, I just have to click on this button here saying publish. And here is a very important step. We need to put some tags here for the search engine. I mean, for the Medium search engine itself. So some keywords that we need to enter here in order to be found on the search. So the tags needs to be popular. So let's try, for example, free traffic. If I try that, I have 128. That's not very good. So let me try, for example, website traffic. Website traffic. It has 1,700. So I'll take this one here and then search for other related key phrases that are popular on the platform. Let me try affiliate marketing 10,000. That's a good one. And then let me try social media marketing is 43,000, so that's good. I have 2 more to add because the maximum is 5. So I'll type email for email marketing, and I have 19,000, so I take this one as well. Let me try Facebook. So Facebook marketing, it says 7,000. That's good enough. So let me take it just for the sake of this video. And now if you look, you have here allow curators to recommend my story to interested readers. So curators take care of all the articles published here, and they can recommend your article to a large amount of people, of readers, and if you got that, you will have a lots of free traffic to your website because your article includes some links to your website. So all I have to do now after doing this is publish now. And now it says you've reached the limit of the stories that can be published in 1 day. Please try again tomorrow. Okay, no problem. So if I click OK here and I go here, I have it on draft. So I will wait until tomorrow and then come back and just click on the publish button. So if I go to my stories here, I have 1 story that is on draft, and I have 10 that are published already. So I have 10 that are published, and the one that we just did is draft. So tomorrow I'll be able to publish this one as well. Alright, so after editing and publishing the article, let's go back to our key points. And before I continue, I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see, and also hit the like button and the bell notifications so you'll not miss my future videos. So number 5, link to other stories. At a certain time you will publish multiple stories on the platform. It will be a great idea if you find a way to link them together. You can say, for example, at a certain moment, oh yes, I wrote something about this, and you can check it here, and the reader will be taken to the other story. So you will create some kind of activity with your stories that will bring you more claps and more traffic. Another important thing here, number 6, is to write about specific niche, and my advice is to write about something you are passionate about. because if you write in about a niche that you are not passionate about, you will get tired and then you will quit. But if you are passionate about what you write in about, you will be always happy to do this and you will be rewarded. So always try to be consistent in your publishing and also come up with engaging stories for your audience. The next thing is to engage with other writers in your niche, and you can do this by clapping, by writing comments on their articles. Your comments needs to be really high quality and engaging, nothing spammy, because here you want to build credibility for the long run, for the long-term run. You can also tag other people on your stories to get more interactions. Another good practice is to share your stories on social media like Facebook groups, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. It will bring you more views to your Medium stories. So with that said, thank you very much for watching the video and making it so far. Please leave me a comment or question on the comment section below, and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more tutorials about generating free traffic. See you on the next video.